if you need to level out something over a large distance, for example, here 100 feet or even up to 400 feet, then usually the best thing is to use a laser level. And so usually the problem is that a low power laser cannot be seen over a large distance, like already here. It's impossible to see that with normal human eyes. And of course, we do not want to use a high power laser because of course we want to avoid to endanger some people which are just walking around, standing around. Maybe you even have to do that in public and people are not aware of that a laser is around. And so here we have an absolute perfect solution for that. That's this DOVOH complete laser level system with the transmitter, receiver and a ton of accessories in an absolute beautiful sturdy case, which I got from the seller to show you. And so I've turned on the laser transmitter in the automatic leveling function 100 feet from here, and you definitely can't see anything. And like that, with my glasses, I can't see anything as well. Also with my normal eyes, it's almost impossible. But the set includes also this green glasses, which help me a lot, so I can see the line here, not very precisely, but I can see it approximately. But of course we want to have that more accurate, and for that we get this receiver which is included in the set. So I can just hold it like that. And I hope you can see the arrow now, arrow pointing down, 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 and now up. I went too far, and now when I'm in between, hold it like that, then I get this straight line here, so I could put something here on the fence, and I know I have exactly the same height as on the other side, 100 feet away from me. That's so easy, and I didn't have to read instructions manuals for hours. I just took it out of the box, added the batteries, which are AA batteries, which are included here in the receiver. Also batteries are included in this remote control, which is actually very strong. I can even now use it for the laser transmitter, which is 100 feet away. I don't know exactly how far we can go, if it reaches 400 feet, maybe in a perfect situation. And we have the full control here. We can activate the horizontal, the vertical laser. We can adjust the brightness, and we can also activate the pulsing mode, which is needed. Otherwise, the receiver here won't work. Comes even with this additional target plate, which could help, but I have already the glasses. And again, we get a ton of accessories, the laser level itself, which can be used, of course, also for a lot of different things. Comes with 2 rechargeable batteries, the charging cradle, and even some USB charging cable. Yeah, as I already mentioned, this is a total complete set, easy to use, with a super sturdy build here, even some magnets and tons of adapters, so definitely should fit pretty much everywhere. Yeah, absolutely awesome. So I'd say full recommendation from my side. And so if you're interested, you can find the link down in the description of the video, so you can check it out and order one for you if you like. And I hope I've been able to help you a little bit with this video. If you have any questions or comments or want to share your own experience with this DOVOH laser level tool, then just let us know down in the feedback area. I'm always happy to talk about these things. And if you liked the video, give me a thumbs up, subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching. See you next time.